go, right there, yeah. Baby, you don't need to stand on it, darling.
You're doing it!
But you look so cute.
Sige na.
We got a little peekaboo action on your tummy.
Kina ba? Kano!
The cano's not always going to be around. Make her struggle for a minute, then I'll help her. She just looks so cute. Plus, I can see her tummy. A little bit higher, baby, a little higher, a little higher. Work that body, baby, work that body, baby. Hold on, I'm missing the peekaboo action. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Go get that, me.
What you want me to get? This rooster? The rooster? Oh, she's pissed. She's pissed. Look, she just threw it down. Filipino anger, aggression. Hey, buddy, how are you, man? There's Pocone, the dancer, folks. I just want to film your tummy. How to piss off a Filipina? Make her set up the tent by herself. Honey, what do you love most about YouTube, about being filmed all the time? You want to know the real problem with the village? Is living in close proximity to goats and cows. You always got goat shit and cow shit everywhere. Oh yeah, she's pissed, good and pissed. Had a quick look around the tent. Still looks good for the most part. Hey, buddy. How you doing, man? All right, I'll be right down there, buddy. Hey. Where we going, baby? Put that bag in there. Zip her back up, baby girl. Folks, that's a low pro camera bag. It's a pretty good little small bag. Little day pack for videographers, filmmakers, photographers.
Dali na yun.
It's our superstar. Got these cows up here, feed and water. Fatima,
Oh,
tell Auntie Mama I'm gonna have to charge her rent for these water barrels out here.
that's not yours.
Huh? Oh, it's not.
That's water, it's not yours.
I'm trying to make some rent.
Hoy! Anak ka! Na ba ko'y parinta? Rinta ra ba mo simot? Ma, tanan na! Na, excited as Marcos, no? Na, excited as Marcos, no?
This is what happens when they don't watch the child. He's over there in barbed wire and just fell.
Hawa lagi dira. Pure,
This
sawa.
is why I don't let this child come to this village
Na,
without me.
bitik di ay.
Just telling you like it is, folks. They don't watch him close enough. They just treat him like any of the other children.
Ikaw ka akong patanawon, ari. Tanaw na
They
to,
don't
ma.
supervise him.
Tanawan ni mo 24 hours.
Drink.
Drink.
Di ko. Gusto niya straw.
Gusto niya straw.
Sige, lakaw. Bay, tadi ba?
Ay, saan mo? Tara na. Isa man eh. Kuha Jin. Dari. Kuha na Jin. Kuha na si Puris. Inom. Inom ba? Jin.
Easy, Fatima.
Go.
Patience.
Let's go. Come on.
Fatima has lost her village skills. Auntie Mama, you need to teach Fatima how to be a cowgirl again. She forgot her village skills.
Ay, VIP dai ko. Yan dai ko.
Who's a VIP?
Wa kay labot. Tara na. Kay sunod mas VIP.
Where's the boy?
Usa bilin dai ko na.
Calamansi's with him now.
Pwede mo gana isang
Likes
sa
to jump
diri.
on these motorbikes too.
Ay dalhanan niyo Maria. Dalhanan niyo. Ano ba?
Don't worry, son. Old single dad.
Panunod na mo sa
Your
ako.
papa's watching you always.
Papers.
I'm curious as to why you think you're a VIP all of a sudden.
Wala, nag-una-una na to. Let's go, Forrest!
Why are you a VIP all
Ay,
of a
so
sudden?
magbuot ka man ako.
She's been dreaming about that lid channel all day.
Nagtugway pa dito ay.